What's up, everyone? Today we'll be looking at the Vega series LED light pod spotlights from Oracle Lighting. The Vegas were produced using only high-quality components in a package designed from scratch to provide unparalleled performance, value, and durability. As always, we include detailed instructions and all the hardware you'll need for installation. The Vegas come in the 20-watt Series 2 and the 40-watt Series 4. They also come with snap-on blackout covers to keep you street legal. The IP69K ingress protection and OE-level Deutsch DT connectors increase the overall reliability, while OSRAM LED chips kick out high lumen illumination. Integrated Deutsch DT plugs and 2-foot widths provide for easy installation. Both models feature focus spotlights with over 1,000 feet of projection and powder-coated aluminum construction for extreme durability. And available separately, Oracle also offers these optional interchangeable lens covers that can change the color of the light output to yellow or amber. For more information on this and other great products, visit oraclelights.com.